what's up you guys? Welcome back to another episode, and I promised you guys that I will give you guys something very affordable, the swatches of an Indian brand which creates amazing beautiful pressed glitters, and they just have arrived today, and I want to swatch it in front of you guys on the camera, and that they are super affordable. And I will link everything in the description box for you to check out their page. I'm really excited. Now let's just move ahead and swatch these, and let's just see what magic do they have. These are TS Cosmetics pressed glitters, glitter bombs, and they come in a packaging like this. It's really cute. Now let's just go ahead. This is creamy pressed glitters which requires no glue, have the special no mess no fall formula, which is amazing for a person like me who doesn't really do that much of a makeup anyways. It will lit up those eyes like bomb. That's why they are called the bomb glitters. This looks so cute. Now I'm just taking slightest amount. Oh wow, look at this guys with my swatching. This is my first time doing all that stuff, so yeah. Look at this guys, green, which is fab. Now let's go ahead and check the different one. So the next one is this guys. It looks so pretty, you guys, so you guys need to bear with me. Just took a little amount. Wow, you guys, look at that. Whoa, let's just swatch it, then I'll tell you what is my favorite one, and you guys need to comment down below which is from these, which is your favorite one. Oh wow, this is my favorite. I love navy blue kind of shades, and you know, especially when you do it for the eye. Look at that. So now they have two velvety one. So this is a different packaging. Just showing you guys. This is TS Cosmetics velvety eyeshadows. So I think these are the glitter ones. Now we have the velvety ones. Now let's see what is the difference between the two. So this is in sun. Okay, yeah, I love it already. This is in sun. Oh, they are like really smooth. And I don't know guys about you guys, but I have a habit of smelling things, so that's why I'm smelling it, and it smells like chocolate. That's fab, and I love chocolates anyways. So I'm just swatching this. So this is a very creamy shade, and a very not a jhatang golden, that's what we call it in Delhi, but a very subtle kind of a golden, which I would love to wear whenever like I'm going out and just need a little bit of sheen, maybe for a birthday or something, or maybe in the daylight as well. It looks so good. How should I show you guys? Yeah, so I swatched it over here. Again, this one has the same packaging. This is velvety, which tastes exactly like chocolate, which is my favorite, so I'm happy about it. Wow, the shade, I am obsessed with this one. I love it. You guys know that my channel is all pink. My lipstick is all pink, and I love pink and blue combo. And look at this guys. So much light. How pretty this looks. Now the power packed TS Cosmetics with Makeup by Tuba. Makeup by Tuba is my sister, and she has collabed with this brand Cosmetics, and I'm really proud of her. I'm really happy about her, and what a proud moment it would be that I'm trying my sister's collaboration on here on my YouTube channel. So yeah, these are the loose pigments, TS Cosmetics into Makeup by Tuba. So I have the 2 shades right here, which I will swatch for you guys and show you guys. And these are like not the ordinary ones, guys. They are killer. And yeah, you guys can say that I might be biased about them, but I won't be. I will be showing you guys, and you will decide if it's good or not. So, ow. Where should I swatch it? Yeah, maybe here. Look at this, guys. Loving it. What shade? And it tastes like chocolate. Everything tastes just like chocolate, and I'm just craving for chocolate now. It's fab. It's fab. Silver shade, or I guess silvery chocolatey. Wow. Look at this. This looks like the pixie dust. I don't know how many of you guys have seen that cartoon in like when you were little, but my sister used to watch it, and yeah, I used to watch it. So it looks exactly like pixie dust. So yeah. Wow. Wow, you guys, this is my favorite from Makeup by Tuba range. This is my favorite. Looks so subtle, looks so good and elegant. You guys, this is fab. For somehow doesn't taste like chocolate. Smells like chocolate, just being really honest, but the shade is amazing. With this makeup, I don't know what shade will go. You guys comment down below which shade did you like the most, and I really don't know what shade should I apply. Blue, I'll look mad because I've just applied the Sun, which is my favorite, and just don't judge me on my lashes because I messed them up. Anyways, I just want to show you guys, I just applied it till like a little bit here, which is giving like a very sun kind of feeling to me, and I don't know, I'm liking this thing a lot. The close up, I have just applied it like from here till here, so that just, you know, to spice things up. I hope you got something out of this video. Really liked, I loved the shades, guys, and you guys saw whatever was on my face. Anyways, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please give this a like, a comment kar do. It really takes 5 minutes of your time, but really means the world to me. And let me know what other videos you guys want me to do, and I will do that for you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.